What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another trucking video. If you're new here, new to the channel, my name is Michael and I am a driver here for Sweet Express. Chances are, if you're viewing this video, that may be why you're here, that may be why you're interested. Luckily for you, you found this video. I have a video like this one and a bunch of others talking about Sweet, going through the day-to-day, what loads are like, and then I have other videos like talking about information and all kind of stuff, requirements if you're thinking about coming on board. So you found the channel. But in this video, in today's video, we're going to be running a load. We are here on site at the shipper. We are in northwest Michigan. We are in Muskegon, Michigan, and we are running this load almost 800 miles to Pennsylvania. We're going to a small little place, one of our customers in East Greenville, Pennsylvania. So that load here, I got the paperwork, I got the bill here. It's 736 miles. Already did our trip planning. That's the route I'm going to take. And so yeah, we're here on site. This will be a drop hook, so we're getting loaded right now, and that'll be a drop hook out of there. And then yeah, we'll keep it hustling. So yeah, we got I delivered a load this morning already, so we only got 7.5 hours left to drive. So we'll get, you know, most of the way there, but we'll still have some time to drive, or we'll still have some trip to do tomorrow to get to the receiver. But I've been there before, so I know whereabouts we got to go in and all that. It's can be a little tricky, but anyway. So yeah, we're here on site getting loaded. Once we get rolling, I'll give you guys a shot, let you know what's going on, and then we'll go from there. Gotta fucking love shippers like this, dude, and I mean that in a serious positive way. It has only been 13 minutes since I got here, and we're already done. I already got my bills in hand. Best part of all, this load is only 4,000 pounds. I love a good light load. Don't have to worry about tandems, sliding tandems, going across scales. You will burn literally no fuel. I'm gonna go back there and check and see if it needs a strap or anything, but that's a fantastic thing. So we are getting ready to roll here. It's 12:30, so I'm gonna close up and we're gonna get ready to roll here, and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Let's go. All right, guys, quick update here. We are here at the Loves just outside of Lansing, Michigan. Gonna top off the tanks real quick, make our rest of the trip as far as we can go today. Got about 6 hours left to drive or so, but I'm gonna stop, get a shower, a little something to eat. Packing my bag here. That's what I carry my clothes in. My vintage 70s American Tourister suitcase. This is my shower bag. This has my you know, my shower stuff, shower sandals, of course, and my change of clothes, all the other stuff in there. Just carry that with me. It's real easy to carry. This goes back over here. Boom. Anyway, yep, so this is what we're doing. Got my bag ready. And yeah, so as soon as we finish fueling, grab a spot, and that'll be it. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Y'all, update time. We have made it here to the TA Travel Centers here in Brookville, Pennsylvania, and parked up. Your boy parked up with 2 minutes left on his drive clock, so I mean, we couldn't get any farther than that, so happy with that. We got 675 miles today, 645 yesterday, so running pretty hard. Got a load right after we drop this one off that goes right back to Michigan, and then we got a preload from Michigan right back to Pennsylvania for Friday. So we're busy here. People asking me if we're busy over here at Sweet. Yes, we are busy. I mean, I know what's going on with the freight and everything like that can be slowing down. It's so expensive, or fuel's expensive, freight's down, you know, all that, but we're still moving freight over here. So for everybody inquiring, had a couple comments about it. Yeah, we're still moving freight. So yeah, man, long day. I'm shot. So we're gonna I just got parked, so we're gonna unwind a little bit, and then we're gonna go to sleep, obviously, and then we'll talk to you guys bright eyed and bushy tailed in the morning. How much we got left to go? 4 hours to get to our delivery tomorrow, to our drop. So anyway, till then, good morning guys. It is now the next day. As you can see, getting ready to roll. We just did our pre-trip. Let's get this day started, huh? Let's see how far we get today. Let's go. Today I am sad. It is a great day, beautiful day, good day to drive. About an hour and a half into our trip. But today I am sad because 1 year ago I was on my way for 2 weeks to beautiful Oahu, Hawaii. 2 weeks in Hawaii. 1 year later, fast forward, I'm driving on 322, delivering some form of cardboard insulation, 4,000 pounds of it. I gotta do better, man. I need to reevaluate my priorities. Alright y'all, real quick, we are almost there, but I was thinking about this because right now my GPS is going nuts and telling me that this isn't a truck-friendly route.
Turn left on Foxglove Place, then take the second right.
He keeps trying to reroute me, telling me there is a 65-foot length restriction on this road, but
turn left on Columbine Road.
There are no signs on this road anywhere that said that. There's no truck signs. There's nothing like that. So
turn left at the traffic light.
I say all that to say that, well, you can't always trust what your GPS says. I mean, 98% of the time it's pretty accurate, and you should always go by it. But in a situation like this, I mean, if you're ever unsure, if you're
turn right on
questioning around, always just bust out your atlas and fucking look through it and page through it. I mean, for me personally, I'm familiar with this area. I don't live too far from here. I've been through here a bunch of times, so I know better. But yeah, if you're ever unsure, always bust out your atlas and look to find the designated truck routes, you know, to confirm. I mean, you should always double check, triple confirm your truck route. But I mean, in a situation like this, again, it's
in 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Albertus Road.
I mean, it is.
Turn right on Shawneck Road.
It's legal for me to be driving on this right now, so. Yeah, so always bust out your atlas, double, triple check. And if you don't have an atlas, I don't know how you got this far in your industry, but you should definitely get one. It's like 30 or 40 bucks. Or you get one at the truck stop, laminated or paperback version. I mean, it's super handy to have. I have mine on hand at all times. It's in the back. But anyway, we're almost there. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, we have arrived here on location to our delivery, our drop hook. Pro trick tip: save your drive time, go into yard move. Most companies will have it set up that you can only go up to a certain mile an hour for sweet. It's 20 miles an hour, I believe. So you just got to keep it under 20, but you save that drive clock. Because I mean, this whole process could take, like, you know, like 10 minutes or so. By the time you back the trailer in, unhook, you know, find a new trailer, inspect all that, you know, save your drive time. So anyway, we are here on location. Got to get back to the little lot. I've been through here a couple times before, so I know where to go, but yeah, I got to go to the drop hook lot. So we'll back her in, grab a new trailer, and keep it hustling. All right, so here we are. Dropped our trailer. There. This is our new one. Remember, for dropping and hooking, or grabbing a new trailer, or whatever, hooking up, lap or PAL, L-A-P or P-A-L. What I mean by that is, depending on what you're doing, dropping, unhooking, whatever, pin, air, landing gear, or landing gear, pin, air, in that order. So in this case, I'm hooking the trailer. So first thing I'm checking, pin. Then I'm checking my air. In this instance, I had to put a new grommet on. I got a bunch of these on Amazon, keep them in the truck with me. I had to change out the blue side. And then of course at the very end, as you guessed, landing gear. Make sure it's all the way up. And this is before I'm even doing my pre-trip and all that. But I'm coming back here. I did this already, but I'm gonna do it for the video's sake. Come back here. Make sure the trailer's empty. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to pull a full trailer out of here. Then there's gonna be problems. Make sure the trailer's empty. Then pull it out of spot, do your pre-trip, you walk around, whatever you want to do. And keep it hustling. Alright guys, we are all finished up. Pre-trip, submitted our empty, uploaded our paperwork, messaged Tim, got all necessary contact info and new trailer number and everything. We're all good to go here. So I'm going to be departing here shortly, which means this is the end of the video. If you liked what you've seen, consider subscribing. I upload content like this weekly. If you think about joining Sweet Express, down in the description box below will be the name and phone number to the recruiter. Give him a call. His name is Nick. He'll be sure to help you out. We offer very competitive wages, good equipment, good home time if you want to be regional, or if you want to do OTR, we got your miles too. Yeah man, I got videos about this kind of content, you know. I got one in the description, but all my stuff uploaded, you know, all pertains to Sweet. But anyway, yeah, that'll do it for this video, guys. Drop a comment down below if you got any questions or concerns, or if you want to tell me I don't know how to drive, or you want to tell me what your favorite color is. I don't care. Very good. Be sure to oh man, there's deer over there. I don't know if you can see him. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. Get out of there. What was I saying? The outro? I don't know. I lost my train of thought. You get the idea. We'll be sure to talk to you guys in the next video. Be good. God bless. Stay safe. Peace. Yard dog.